Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Hope you all are fine at your homes. Good morning dear kids, welcome to your science class in Montessori 2. Open your book page number 4. Sparrow. What is this beta? Sparrow, living thing. Grasshopper. Grasshopper. What is this? Grasshopper. Macaw. What is this? Macaw. Honeybee. What is this? We called it honeybee. These are living things in small in size. Snail. What is this? This is a snail. Our next picture is squirrel. What is this? This is squirrel beta. And the next is ant. What is this? This is an ant. What is this? Ant. Butterfly. What is this? आप सब लोगों ने बटरफ्लाई देखा है. ये क्या है? What is this? This is nightingale. Nightingale. Parrot. What is this? This is parrot. Parrot जिसे हम मिट्ठू बुलाते हैं. And our last picture is mouse. What is this? This is a mouse. So come to our reading. Grasshopper. GRASSHOPPER. Macaw. MACAW. Honeybee. What is this? Honeybee. Snail. Snail. Squirrel. Spelling of squirrel. Ant. This is spelling of ant. Butterfly. Butterfly. Nightingale. Nightingale. Mouse. Parrot. What is this? Parrot. These are living things in small in size. This is your homework.